Welcome back. Now, before we customize the order form, we do want to change the name of the page as well as the URL path. Once we have our name and our URL path, we can then click on the order form. Now, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and customize our order form. And we can customize our URL path. What we now want to do is we want to edit the page. Now, at minimum, what you'll want to have is you'll want to have any coupon code that you're going to have. You'll want to have your payment details. You'll want to have the first name and email address. And optionally, you can have an individual designate if they are individual or a company. If you do want other elements in, you can add them from the left side menu. Once you have your payment details, you can then click Save Changes. And your order form will then be ready. You can exit the order form, and then you will have edited your order form. Now what you need to do is you'll need to scroll down to the bottom, and you'll need to configure the order form page. This is where we will determine how we are going to deliver the product and what product we are going to deliver when the customer pays, as well as how much they will pay. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.